Alright, quick look at that, getting the items to that decode the code section. So here's my decode the code worksheet. I'm going to add or insert a table, and I'm not sure how many I'm going to need, so I'm going to go like 2 by like 6 or 7. Just I can always take rows off or add more rows if I need to. I'm going to put a photo of each of my big event handlers here, description of them over here. So for the photos, I'm going to go to my program, go to my blocks view, and I'm going to pick one of each of my big event handlers. I don't need to pick every subtract button, just one. One's all I need. I'm going to go to my start menu, and pick the snipping tool. Okay, snipping tool, hold on. Put the screen back so you can see. So I'm going to go to Start, Snipping Tool, and it just says here to drag the cursor on the area you want to capture. So don't click anything, hit the cursor, click drag, get the entire thing in there. My screen's too small, but for example, here's my code. I'm going to save it. Let's go into Pictures. I'm just going to call it CMI1 for Count Me In 1. So I have one subtract button, close it down. I'm going to do one add button, and then I'll probably will do one subtract, one add, and I want to do my reset button, and then maybe one of my variables. So let's go back. I'm going to go to Insert, Image from the computer. And mine is in my Pictures folder. It's called Count Me In 1. There it is. However you are to describe it. So I want to get one subtract, one add, and I want my clear button, and then I want my one of my variables. What else do we have? Oh, checkbox. Checkbox, add, subtract, a clear, a variable. These two are extra. I'm going to highlight them and go table and delete those rows. So build these, and that's the assignment.